Fernando Kabalen. Welcome to We're in Pampanga. For today's video, we were invited by the Balcony Private Resort dito po sa may San Fernando, Pampanga. And muulan. Guys, sobrang lakas ng ulan ngayon, but that doesn't stop us to enjoy this super beautiful property with my family, of course. If you want to know more about this, guys, I want to show you more. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go. Where is Uni?
Sleeping.
Universe is sleeping. Oh.
Angry sleeping.
Universe, wake up. Hey bro, ikaw dishwasher ngayon?
Yes.
Nice.
Hello.
Oh, what is that? Oh, look at that. Wow. Yaman ah. Nice one, Mama Jo. Oh, shout out may pa yung Nutritech.
Hello.
Nutritech. Sa first level natin, this is the dining area. Meron din tayong kitchen over here. Once you get in, ito na yung living room area natin. Hi guys! Baby, you having fun? He's dancing. So dito sa first level, we have 2 rooms. This is the first room. Oh, nice! Check this out. Meron tayong double-decker beds. It can accommodate 2 to 3 persons per bed. And then another folding bed dito. Ito siya, guys. And the way you get upstairs, sa second level na bed is through these stairs. So yun. Good job, Luis. Is it?
Yes.
Gusto mo yung ganitong bed? You like this kind of bed?
Yes.
Nice. So air conditioned. And then going to the other room. Oh, very similar from the previous bed. You got Cheetos. Favorite ni Luis yun, Cheetos. For the movie, we're gonna have a movie. Yes, sir. So dito sa living room area natin, we got a large TV. Meron din tayong loft dito. Meron pa tayong, oh, okay. This section goes to the bathroom and also the shower room. Meron tayong mga appliances like a refrigerator, a microwave. You can put your stuff here, mga cabinet natin, a sink. Eto na yun, CR natin. Yo guys, yo guys. Wow, I'm actually impressed. So dito sa loft type niya, meron tayong 3 beds. It can accommodate probably 7 to. Malaki siya. So from here, you have an access to the balcony. This is the balcony. Wow, ang ganda dito, guys. View from the balcony. Farm, 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 and farm. And then dito, meron na tayong view ng ating property. We go back the front lawn, yung kubo, the garage, and of course the swimming pool. I like it! Amazing! Sarap! Kahit na umuulan, we're gonna enjoy this place. Sobra. I wish meron din akong ganitong property. Oh, hi tayo, hi! Hi! Ulam ngayong gabi. Meron tayong dinuguan. In Kapampangan, titad. Meron din tayong patatim. Plus nasi, plus marim lang. Oh, yaman.
Kontratan nitong nag-video sa labas ha.
Sino yan? Jokol? Hi baby. What is your ulam? Tinola. Tinola is for life. Go bro.
Damit di you. Tanggal.
Luis, are you ready? Hoy, hindi na umulan! Wow! Nagbablur. So this is a blessing guys. Huminto ang ulan. And magbababad na kami. Kahit malamig guys, we're still gonna enjoy it. So yeah, let's go! Let's go! Hi, 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 hi. Ayan. Hi camera! Hi vlog! Hi vlog! Huminto na ang ulan guys, huminto na ang ulan. I think it's going to be sunny tomorrow. Kung huminto na yung ulan. Hi! Nice one! Uy! Nice! Nagpa-practice ka na, no? Good job, Luis! Hey! Hey, Sammy boy! Take it the balcony. Sige nga, can you jump? Wow! Hi guys!
Look, it's a moth.
Good night.
It's Lola Dad.
Well done. There's a moth there.
So, may dito, oh.
Hello, Dad.
Good night!
Okay,
See you in
good
the
night.
morning.
Night. Good night.
Can I have 3 layers of ito?
Kumot?
Dito. Super dami ng kumot namin.
Good night.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Poof!